Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Adobe Acrobat Pro on Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. In the address bar, type in the URL for Adobe's official website. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner and click on it. If you already have an Adobe account, enter your email and password to sign in. If you don't have an account, click on the Get Started or Create an Account option to set one up. Fill in the required information and follow the prompts to create your new account. After signing in, navigate to the Products section in the top menu. Look for Adobe Acrobat Pro in the list of available products. Click on Adobe Acrobat Pro to open the product page. You will be redirected to a pricing page with different subscription plans. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, whether monthly or annual. After selecting your plan, click on Continue or select Plan. You might be prompted to enter billing information, so fill in the required fields. Review your order to ensure everything is correct. Then, click on Confirm or Complete Purchase to finalize your subscription. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Download and install Adobe Acrobat Pro from your Adobe account. After installation, open Adobe Acrobat Pro and sign in using the account linked to your subscription. You are now ready to use Adobe Acrobat Pro with full access to its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.